I'm the king of the world!
Woo! Fucking yeah, so
I'm good, Chunga.
you definitely wouldn't want to fall down there or drop your phone. I almost did, and my hands are wet and slippery. There's a random log just floating in there like a piece of poop. Look at it. It's starting to rain. That's awesome. It's probably gonna stop soon. Look at all those motherfucking logs, homie. Yeah, dude, you want to start heading back? Yeah, I know, right? It's fucking... Dude, it wasn't even that bad. This was a dope... Yeah, dude, we should come blaze here. This would be the spot to party, eh?
We are gonna blaze here. Let's make it back to the...
Yeah, right, so we can each put our backs on a tree. What? Dude.
That's like fucking 5 feet left to fall.
What? At the end? Well, fucking... I'm taking this tree, homie. Huh? I can't take that fucking...
There you go, Heavy. Do you take a picture
Of what? Alright, hold on, let me sit down, homie. Heavy D in the house.